Kids Fun Learn Club, and we are in the 6 minutes 100 days drawing challenge, and we are on episode number 64.
Yes, episode number 64 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. And today, what are we going to draw?
We are going to draw Tails from Sonic the Hedgehog 2.
Tails from Sonic the Hedgehog 2. Okay, I do not know, but Parikshit knows, so we are going to draw.
I saw that movie.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, Parikshit saw that movie on Emirates when he was on the flight to Paris. Okay, let's get started. We need a black sketch pen. We are using the Sharpie, a white paper, and some colors. Is it gonna be an easy one?
Little difficult.
Little difficult. Okay, let's start.
What are you making?
The mouth.
Okay. Yep.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And that's the.
Tails has a lot of fur.
Okay. Done till here? Now the next would be the eyes. One more.
The eyes are a little easy.
Very easy. The entire drawing would be easy if you just follow me.
Yep. Wait, let me see.
It has started to look like tail?
Nope.
Yes, it has.
Nope. Kind of it's looking, but not fully. Can you stop? Let me see. Now what should they make? Before.
The ears. Yeah. Done till here?
No.
Now the body.
Eyes.
Okay. Let's wait for Parikshit.
Did you start?
No, I didn't.
What is that?
Okay.
Okay.
Now the body. So easy.
Like this. Can you?
Very good. Now the hands.
What happened? What happened?
Nothing. I managed your tail.
What happened? Am I doing something wrong?
No, you're doing it right.
Tell me.
No, it's right. Perfectly fine. Okay.
Now this, let me make
Now
it
we'll do the
clear.
hands. Okay.
Let me see please.
That's the tail.
No, but mine is not done.
Now we need to do the other legs. I'll wait for Parikshit. Yes. Okay. Now finish the legs and the shoes.
The coloring of this part is also very easy.
Yes.
Almost just like Sonic.
One. The other leg. Yeah. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's wait for Parikshit once again. And by the time you can also finish it up. Okay. Now should we do this hand?
Almost done. I don't know why does every single hedgehog wear this type of wristband.
Mm-hmm. They're the gloves, it's not wristband.
That's their real hand.
Okay, there's a real hand. Are you done, Parikshit?
Almost.
Show it to me. I'll finish it off quickly. Should we now get on to coloring it? Wow, we are done with the drawing and now it's time when we color. We'll need a yellow color, a little bit of red and grays, pink and blues.
Not
So
pink.
let's finish it off with the yellow colors. This one is not nice.
Do the shoes then. Do you like Tails more or Sonic more?
Sonic is better.
But Tails can fly.
Okay, I can also play.
How?
Okay, we are done with this beautiful drawing of Tails from Sonic the Hedgehog 2. I hope you enjoyed this drawing and
I'm not done.
by the time Parikshit finishes his drawing, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Red Kids Online Club. And also do not forget to hit on the like button, the subscribe button and add a comment below of what you want us to draw next to and some exciting goodies from Parikshit and Kids Online Club. Once again,
Can I color this with yellow?
no, you don't need to.
Yes, I do. I forgot I need to color this. I'll do it.
Do it quick. No, you don't need to.
Hey, I have to do this.
Okay, only that part, yeah. What? What happened? I didn't do anything.
You just moved it.
We are done, Parikshit?
Almost.
Great.
No.
It's not really time to finish it.
No. Just. Oh.
This was episode number
64.
64 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. Parikshit is very much
Done.
great. So Parikshit is also done. I'm also done. Let us know in the comments whose drawing is better.
Ah.
See you. Bye bye.